This episode we will discuss the prepare work before we put the framing. Before we put the framing in, underneath the framing there is things need to be installed first. On the van body there's lots of pre-drilled hole by the manufacturer for install the future equipment on the body. In this Ford Transit, the most common size is this kind of a hole between 9mm to 10mm diameter. This is perfect for the quarter 20 cross nut. On the market, the most common rivet nut gun is like this type. It's really hard to use. You really need lots of strength to operate this. It needs firmly squeezed in order to make sure it's properly installed. Fortunately, I found this rivet nut tool called Astro XL. This is a very good tool. You just put on to any drill, it will put the rivet out for you. Effortless. It's very accurate and 100% success. The size of the rivet nut hole is a little bit different than the wall on the ceiling. I found the 5/16 and M5 will suitable for the holes in the ceiling. There is a lots of gaps between these wall panels. These gaps is very suitable for running electrical wires, but there is a lots of sharp edges, so we need to protect the wire first. My plan is I will through this plastic conduit through these gaps, and then I can fish in the electrical wire inside this conduit. I put this conduit through in these gaps from the center to the upper center and create a junction box area. And then I can go to the front, over the ceiling, and to the other side, and to the passenger front, and to the passenger back. I probably only need half of the capacity of this conduit to run all my wires. The other half probably leave for the future expansion for any electrical upgrade. Also can use for water line or oil lines. This conduit is very hard and very tough, but even though I still protect them when they running through those sharp edges. I'm using this aluminum plate and turn it into 180 degrees and cover the sharp edge. I also use zip ties to tie the conduit on the body firmly to prevent any rattling and making noise. I marked every conduit with the same English letter, and then I can determine which conduit goes where in the future. Most of the conduit, the inside diameter is 1 inch. They can run maximum of one single 4-aught cable or 3 smaller size cable. This conduit system will give me the maximum flexibility for the electrical wire system. I can run in the wire or I can pull the wire out. I can adding wire in any time in the future. I don't have to leave the extra long ends for the wire connection, and there's a tons of benefit. The last step is to put this half-lock wall into these gaps. The half-lock wall have three functions. First, it will further secure this conduit inside these gaps. And second, it will prevent convection heat loss. Third, the half-lock wall can control the moisture. Thanks for watching. Next episode, we will discuss how to install frame. See you later. Thank you.